Hey everybody, welcome to Tool Time with J4 and J5.
Hey everybody, today we're building a birdhouse for our new bird, Blue.
Yeah, so we have a special guest today.
He doesn't play.
Her name is Blue. She's 10 weeks old. She comes from Brazil, and she's a parrotlet. And a parrotlet are also known as
kissing birds.
Kissing birds. I was going to say pocket parrots. They're very small. They don't get much bigger. And although they're very small, I wish we could show the camera. Let's see. Can we turn Blue around? Hey, Blue. They don't get much bigger, but they have big personalities. Blue loves to be held, right, and coddled. And she's a kisser. She's affectionate, right? See? And she loves fruits and vegetables and little treats. So today, Joseph and I, we're going to build, as you said before, we're going to build a birdhouse. Sticking with Lowe's Build and Grow.
J4, J5.
That's right, J4 and J5. And who?
Blue.
Blue, that's right.
Best Blue.
Hi, Blue. So we're going to build her a new birdhouse, and we'll hang it outside.
No, not outside. Let's hang it inside of my room, because I want Blue to be my bird.
Okay. Well, it does come with suction cups, so we can attach it to glass. So, shall we get started? Are you ready for a new home? Yes? You give a kiss? Give a kiss to Blue. Alright. We don't want Blue to get scared from all the hammering and the nailing that we're going to be doing with the kit. So, we are going to give her back to Mommy. And Blue could watch us from the audience. Mommy, can you take Blue? Okay, you a good girl? Here. Up, up. Up, up. And here's her cookie. Alright. Let's get building. So first step, let's open up and see what we're working with. Okay? You got your goggles on, you got your hammers.
If anyone has to notice, I have to be excited because I really love this birdhouse.
You love Blue, huh? You've always loved birds, though. We also have another bird. Do you know what's the name of our other bird?
Perry, that is really stubborn.
Perry is a Rosie Bork, very sweet and pretty in pink, where Blue is all blue.
And pretty stubborn, the pink bird.
All right, so let's go through the kit. We've got 1, 2,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
We got a lot of pieces of wood here. That's the Blue song. Suction cups. Let me see if I can suction you. Ready? Oh, let me see my forehead. Does it stick?
I guess.
Well, that'll work. And then we've got the front. Look at that. Home, tweet, home. How cute is that? Blue's new home. All right. Let's get out our instructions. Let's see, how many steps do we have? Ooh. We've got
1,000 steps.
1,000 steps. I'm going to open up our nails. Let's get beginning. Let me move all these pieces over. We need 1, 2, 3, 4. So the 3 big ones and the middle piece. You got it. So we've got all 4 sides. Let's bring that over here. Okay, step 1. Let's take the 2. Where's the top pieces, the tall pieces? And it looks like the big one's in the between. And Joseph, this goes on top. So here we go. So step 1, we're going to have to build all 4 sides, and this is going to require a lot of trust. So Joseph, I need you to take your hammer, and I'm going to hold these 2 pieces together. We're going to nail the sides together. Can you hit those 2 nice and easy in? Try not to bend them. There you go. Perfect speed. A little more power, sir. And it's going in. Oh, a little at a time, freeze. Perfect. You got a lot of practice. Alright, first we start with a birdhouse.
Everyone that we send a kit to of the birdhouse, you're going to love it. You can put any bird in it and it's going to be so good. But you can't put 2 different birds together in the same house. You can only put, like, if you have a Rosie Bork and a Rosie Bork, like 2 of them, you can both put them in.
You can't mix breeds, right? Or they'll get territorial and fight. That's right. Watch my thumb.
Just like Perry and my yellowbird.
Perry and, yeah.
And Tyler.
Now what are we going to do if we build this birdhouse and a squirrel starts living in it?
I'm going to kick him out.
That's right. I know, please. Right there.
There's a
Let me finish it. Let me finish it. 1, 2. Okay. Now we're going to take the next side and we're going to make sure the backs line up. Perfecto. Opa. Okay, here we go. Side number 2. We're going to feed 2 nails in.
Make sure to be quick, because your birds are going to be so cold.
Well, that's what we're doing. We're staying away from the cold here.
Well, not exactly, because you get the
Right,
nail
Joseph?
slow.
Come on, my boy. We got 2 to go.
Okay, move it first.
There you go.
I take bigger.
You're doing great. Whoa, 1 done. High five. Let's hit him with the firepower. Ready? Boom! Boom!
Firepower!
Okay, now we got the top to do. So this one is 4 nails, a little more, but you got this. Oops.
3, 4, 5.
Go ahead, put it in this hole right here. We gotta make sure we're using the right nails. There's some big nails and small nails. The small nails are for the back, for the suction cups. The big nails are for the structure. Easy to remember that way. Alright, but this is a very thin piece for the top, so we gotta be very careful when we nail it down. Okay? Okay, and we are using the wrong nails. Tricky. See, Dad's got big fingers. I picked up the wrong nails. Okay, there we go. Go ahead. Right down.
Why is that one a little?
Because I pushed it down a little further. Okay, go ahead. Other side. No, do the ones closer. Start with these closer. Because I'll flip it around. I don't want you to see how we're chipping this. Let's start here. There we go. 3 to go. 1. 2.
Are you sure? Because I
Go
only
ahead.
see 2. Are you sure I see 1 more?
Alright, thank
Really, I
you.
don't have any more to go. See?
And we're just going to nail it for the final touch here. Okay, next step.
If
We
you
are on
comment down
step
below,
2.
I have no idea where blue is.
Blue's hanging out with your sister now, I think.
Oh.
Okay. Now,
Hi,
in
Blue.
this case, we're going to make sure these little hooks are up top. So what we're looking at is once we attach these pieces, okay, the suction cups slip in and then connect. We push it up, connect in, and then that'll let the birdhouse stick to a window or Joseph's goggles, if we wanted to. All right, so let me get
Okay,
some
I'll do
nails. 1.
Okay, that's impossible.
That's, well, we need the suction cup. 2, 3, and 4. Now, one day, Mommy said she would like Blue to have babies. Do you think we should have some baby Blues running around?
Yes.
Yeah, we need more than 2. Yeah, that's a good idea. Okay. Joseph, if you will, 4 nails.
Easy.
Easy is right. 'Cause
No,
you've been
it's easy to hammer. Not easy to hold.
Well, do you know why it's easy to hammer? 'Cause what? Boom! Hit him with the guns.
1, 2. Firepower.
That's why it's easy. You got the strength. The strength of 1,000 kids. Alright, here we go. The next one. Now we're doing the top because we have 2 suction cups for extra support.
Let's do this way so they're both facing in.
No. The gravity's going to hold it up. That's why. We need to do this way. That way it won't come out the suction cup. But that was a great idea.
Please do it that way.
You want to switch it around? You want to get custom with it? Alright, we'll see how that works. Let's flip it around. We're getting
now
crazy.
Now it looks really better.
Oh, aesthetics. See, that's why Daddy does this with you. We could get custom with it. Go ahead. Oh, 2 nails flew out.
Where?
One right here. I got it. Gotta be careful. Gotta be careful. We lost 2
When you're hammering, be very careful.
Very careful. Let's take a look under the hood.
Good. Fire power.
Daddy tacked those 2 in.
Fire power.
You almost took my hair off. Okay, come on. Let's get some firepower on these. We're almost done.
That good?
Blue's gonna love this. Blue is gonna love this. Step 3. Now that we've got the base and we've got the holders for our suction cups, we're gonna be putting the front on that birdhouse like so. Let me go get some nails.
Is there any sticker?
We need 4. Yes, there is. And then we gotta do.
But then, no. I'm gonna cut out a little piece in the garage for this little space right here. And I'm gonna nail it down.
Okay, that's a great idea.
Let's do it after we're done with this and for next tomorrow.
That's a great idea. So you know what we do? We could continue building on this. We could add ladders. We could add swings. We could do lots to this birdhouse.
I'll do the swings.
Now be
and the
very
ladders
careful.
and-
There's no wood here, so you got to hit these nails perfectly. Not a problem. Okay, let me flip it around for you. 2 more to go. Perfecto. Very nice. Very nice. And then finally we've got
that, but then after we put the suction cups and everything on, after this and the suction cups, we're going to paint it.
this is called,
Yay!
what is this? I'm reading the wrong side of the directions. We're attaching the platform for the bird to enter.
Actually doing that.
Well, we'd like to do it.
Well, we need a bigger hole for the front.
We don't need a bigger hole. You think we need a bigger hole for the front?
Yes.
Why is that?
You think blue's this big?
We'll get through it. Do you want to paint it for her, Blue? Why don't we paint it? Alright, so we've completed our build. Daddy realized we shouldn't have put the front on before we nailed the leg, so I might have to take this off and we might have to reattach it because this is very important. So we're going to take a break. I'll get out the paints, and when we come back, Joseph will begin painting, okay?
Okay.
Alright, welcome back everybody. As you can see, Daddy fixed the perch. We kind of skipped step 3, went straight to step 4, but it's nice and solid on there. We hammered everything back in, and now we're going to begin our paint. So, Mommy reminded us what? That certain paints contain toxins, and that'd be bad?
Yeah, it's toxic.
That'd be bad for Blue. So we're not going to be painting the front, but we are going to paint around the sides and the areas that Blue won't venture on. There's nothing to grab on the sides. All right. So let's make this structure home sweet home for Blue, and
He's blue, though.
in Blue's name is Blue. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to start our painting of Blue, to Blue, being Blue. All right. Let's get going. Can I help?
Blue
Can I help with some blue? Let me dip.
No.
Oh, you want to do all the painting yourself?
Yes.
Okay. I'm going to pretend to paint then. I'm going to paint you.
No.
Okay. Come on, let me get Blue here. Mommy, let's bring Blue in. We're going to introduce him to the home.
Again.
You know, we should have before we painted it. Up. Come here, Blue. Up. Go, Blue. So, Blue, you're going to hang out up here. Yes, Joseph's painting your new house. There we go. What do you think of it?
Really?
It looks good. I thought so too. It only took a few seconds, but I gotta tell you, the way he built it.
I recognize that voice since you did.
That is not me. This is how I talk. This is how Blue talks.
No.
But Blue seems to like it.
I want a new
All right,
color.
let's do the other side. I'll hold it so we don't get the table wet. What color are you looking for? Here.
Blue again.
Oh, more blue. Blue for Blue. Yeah, you're good. You're a good girl. Oh, look at long strokes. That's
Good boy. Good boy, Blue.
Blue's a girl.
Then why would we name her?
And I believe, and correct me if I'm wrong, Mom, Blue will lay an egg every month?
Several eggs.
Several eggs. So that's how you know if a bird is a boy or a girl. If they lay eggs, they are a girl. If they don't, they're a boy.
They will lay empty eggs.
Empty eggs.
Until they are fertilized.
What does fertilize mean?
I don't know, but you lay an egg every night before bed.
No, I don't.
Yeah. Blue's hanging out up there, waiting for this. He's going, what time's it going to be ready? There we go. She's impatient. Blue, calm down, all right? Chill out. You want to do the top?
Yes.
Okay, what color you want to do? Well, since the sides are blue, do we have enough blue for this? How about dark blue?
Red.
You want? That's a go-to color as well. Red. We're going blue to red.
Can you paint first, please?
Yes, you know blue's a girl though. Well, I guess red. We're doing gender-neutral blue and red. That's a lot of red. You could paint the side of our house with that much red.
No, I can't. It takes years to have the red paint.
Imagine if you painted an actual house with that paintbrush.
Oh no.
That takes so long.
Put it down on the floor.
Okay. But yeah, the bottom's doesn't have paint on it. Blue, do you know that I taught Blue a trick?
No, you didn't.
I did. Blue, stay. See? It took lots of practice. Blue, stay.
Did she?
Yes.
If you say yes, comment down below, okay?
Up.
Please do.
Okay. You're attaching yourself to Joseph's brain? Easy. Up. Okay. Up. See? Very good, Blue. Very good, birdie.
I mean Blue.
Mommy sometimes could get Blue to hang up upside down. But that's how you know that the bird trusts you a lot. When it feels unbalanced, but it feels secure in your hands. Do you know how long Blue's going to live for?
1,000 million years.
1,000 million years. We just set a record. Usually parrotlets live between 20 and 30 years. So it's going to be a long time that we're going to have Blue. And that's cool because we like Blue, right?
Yeah.
We like Blue a lot. Up. Mommy's teaching it some words, right? Like, hi, baby. And, Joe!
Joe, come here, buddy.
That's what Mom says, right? Take out the trash! Don't you dare say that. Up.
Yeah, take out the trash!
Alright. Well, we're not going to put you in the house till it dries, because then you're no longer going to be Blue. You're going to be, what's red and blue make?
Red.
Red and blue makes red. More red.
Haha, look at that. It makes it red.
Let's tell Joseph what red and blue make in the comment section below. Smart.
I said purple.
Oh, that's it. It sounded like red.
I evolved pink.
All right.
I evolved pinkin.
Let's say thank you. Let's say thank you for
we're not
everyone.
done.
We're not done. What do we still have to do?
Paint, rest. Come on.
I know, but why we could
Come on, let's go and paint.
firepower. We're gonna say goodbye for now. I hope you enjoyed building the birdhouse with
In our
us.
next video, we're going to continue on our painting. But when the birdhouse dries, we're going to probably put blue in it.
Well, we're gonna hang it in the house. All right. So Blue, you say goodbye. Bye. See, Blue says goodbye. I taught it.
No.
I said it. What? Blue, say goodbye. Bye. See.
I heard you.
All right. Let's blow. Can we sign off? Give eyebrows.
Oh, yeah.